Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth reviews of the best products for your home and family. Today, we're reviewing what we believe to be the best convertible 4-in-1 wood crib currently available, the Sorelle Furniture Fairview Crib. Let's begin with what makes this crib stand out from the crowd. The Fairview Crib by Sorelle is a beautifully crafted nursery essential that combines safety, style, and functionality in a way few others do. Built from solid, all-natural pine wood and finished with a non-toxic, water-based paint, this crib is designed with your child's health and the environment in mind. The smooth, hand-rubbed surfaces and rounded corners are not just elegant, they're also thoughtfully made for the safety of your little one. The 4-in-1 convertible design transitions effortlessly from a crib to a toddler bed, to a daybed, and eventually into a full-size bed. While the toddler bed guardrail and full-size bed frame are sold separately, the core structure of the crib supports all 4 stages, giving it years of usability from infancy through adolescence. That's real value packed into one beautiful piece of furniture. The crib's mattress support base is adjustable with 3 different height positions. This allows you to lower the mattress as your baby grows and becomes more mobile, ensuring safety without compromising on comfort. From a design perspective, the espresso finish offers a warm, timeless look that blends beautifully with a range of nursery themes. Whether you're going for something traditional, minimalist, or rustic, the Fairview crib's clean lines and rich tones make it easy to integrate into your space. Now let's move on to quality and safety. Since 1977, Sorelle Furniture has been a trusted name in baby furniture across the United States. Their products are known for their durability, craftsmanship, and most importantly, safety. The Fairview crib meets and exceeds safety standards set by the Juvenile Products Manufacturers Association, the Consumer Product Safety Commission, and the American Society for Testing and Materials. This means peace of mind for you and a safe haven for your child. Assembly is also straightforward. All parts are included and the instructions are clear, so even first-time parents won't find themselves overwhelmed. The pinewood build ensures a solid, sturdy structure that doesn't wobble or creak. If you're looking to complete your nursery, this crib also pairs perfectly with Sorelle's double dresser, available in a matching espresso finish. To wrap it up, the Sorelle Furniture Fairview Crib is a long-term investment in your child's comfort and your home's style. It's durable, safe, convertible, and stunningly designed. Whether you're setting up your first nursery or upgrading for a growing family, this crib checks every box. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our expert product reviews. See you in the next one.